Hey everybody, welcome to Life at Sunny Lee with Kathy Jarvis. And it's been another busy week, and we're in the office here today because he's out mowing and farmers are working and it's noisy outside, so we're inside. Like I said, it's been a busy week. I've been on the go all week long. Went to church Sunday. Very, very good sermon. It was one that I really took to heart. It was be quick to listen, slow to speak, and very slow to anger. And just basically saying to listen carefully to everything that's being said. And once you listen, then decide what you're going to say. Think about what you're going to say. Don't just split it out. And don't get upset when people don't agree with each other. Agree to disagree, basically. And after church, we went and met our oldest son and had dinner with him. And that meant traveling for a little bit. So we went north. Every weekday this week, he has been getting up early and going to the apartments where he's been either met the drywall people or the plumbers to get the problems that we've had in there taken care of. Got my hair cut. I always enjoy going over there and spending the afternoon with her and getting my hair taken care of. We did go to the gym 3 times this week. I varnished the front of Purdue Pete and put him outside. And every time, if he's outside, we're home. If he's not outside, we're not home. He brings him in every time we leave. And the greenhouses, I've had to open and close them every day this week. We did go harvest from the sweet peppers and the tomatoes and got those in the freezer. Got like 6 quarts of sweet potatoes in the freezer. I put out all the Halloween decorations. Did not put out as many this year as normal, especially in the living room because she has such a hard time, has such a hard time getting around that I didn't want to have a whole bunch of decorations for her to have to maneuver around. So it's not nearly as much in the front room as usual, but it's nice. This is the decorations I put out for the table this year. Didn't do as much as normal. Just added little skulls and stuff. Not going all out. Left the fall tablecloth on and the fall decorations out. So I got that done. And in the foyerway, got my witch that stays out all year, but I decorated her with the pumpkins and her little sign. And got my little alien. And then my little zombie. And then in here, in the front room, I did not do nearly as much. Put the witch out, her little pumpkins, and changed out the tree and made the Halloween tree. And that has been all the decorations that I'm doing this year for Halloween. I started the winter prep on the animals. We're usually pretty well prepped a couple months ahead anyway around here, except for the animals. So I try to, in the wintertime, I try to keep at least 1 bag ahead. And I find that if I keep more than that, I end up wasting the food. It either goes bad or whatever. So I try to keep just 1 bag ahead in the wintertime. So I went and did that. And I prepped Artie's cage. In the wintertime, he needs extra heat to make the air in his cage warm enough for him to be in. So I hooked up the thermostat to the ceramic heater and got that working for him, and I ordered him a bunch more rats. So he'll be good for this winter. This is the heating thermostat that I have for Artie. And notice I have two of them. The one that's 97 degrees is for the under the cage mat. And the 82 is for the air and its temperature inside of its enclosure. And that is hooked to a little probe. I don't know if you can see it back there. And it's with a little suction cup and a little probe back there. And that controls the amount of heat that's in the air. And it's I got a thermostat over here in the corner, which you can't see in the video. And that keeps his temperature the right temperature for him. It also tells him what the humidity is. And he's got another one. The probe for the other is underneath of the enclosure here and on top of the mat. So that tells how much this substrate, how hot it gets for him. So he's comfortable. He has been out and about. And you can just see his little head sticking out. You need to clean the glass. He's not going to come out for me. Hardy. There you go. You can see the thermometer there keeps track of the temperature and the humidity. Temperature is right at 80, which is perfect for him. The humidity is a little bit low right now. It looks like it's about 50. I prefer to keep his humidity between 50 and 60. The probe is back there. That's the probe. And you can see he's got his little head sticking out. Yeah. So he's pretty much ready for winter. We went to Oktoberfest, which is this weekend. Started on, it started Wednesday, but Thursday is the official opening day. Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And we worked the church booth on Thursday for about 3 hours. Had a lot of fun. And then we haven't gone back to it. We walked around and did everything we wanted to on that Thursday. We went a little early and stayed a little late. And then he's been mowing the grass the last 2 days, Friday and Saturday. And he's out there mowing the grass today. And that has been our week. So, hope that you have a good week. And remember, like, share, subscribe. And see you in the next video. God bless everybody. Bye.